National interest and foreign policy. Foreign policy is drawn up to foster the national interest of defense and economic development. National interest is considered to be the goal and foreign policy it considered to be the means to achieve it. Goals of national changes with changes in condition and time. Accordingly, national interest also changes. These changes are reflected in the foreign policy. Therefore, foreign policy is always dynamic. Factor influencing foreign policy. Foreign policy decide what kind of relation to have with which country in international system. But several factors affected foreign policy while it is being decided. Basically, foreign policy decided that we have to connect or what kind of relationship we have with the other countries. First, geographical location. You must have seen the globe or map of the world. You can see the geographical location of any nation from that. Some countries are far away from other countries, while there are several neighboring countries around some countries. Will some have plenty of mineral mineral wealth? In some, the size, population, topography, coastline, availability of natural resources, all these factors need to be considered while deciding the foreign policy of any country. So, for deciding a relationship or a foreign policy between two countries, it is necessary to know about the country's wealth, population, coastline, availability of natural resources is very important. Point number 2, political system. In democratic political system, the nation's parliament plays a major role in evolving foreign policy. When different aspects come up for decision in parliament, the opposition parties try to regulate the foreign policy by raising questions about the same. Federal political system have to take into account the inclination of the constitution state while shaping foreign policy because the affairs in neighboring nation affect constituent state. For example, events in Sri Lanka may affect Tamil Nadu and those in Bangladesh may affect West Bengal and the northeast Indian states. So some affairs and events in the neighbor nations can may affect the our country. For example, Sri Lanka may affect Tamil Nadu, Bangladesh may affect West Bengal and Northeast Indian states. Point 3, economy. In modern times, the economic condition of any country has acquired great importance in deciding foreign policy. As a result, the economy impacts foreign policy in two ways. Foreign policy is shaped by the need to establish economic relation with other countries, import export, participation in world trade, all aimed at strengthening the economy of the country. 2. In today's world, the issues of economic security are as important as national security. A country is recognized to be powerful in promotion to the economic security is enjoys. Countries having a strong economy are less dependent on others that they can have an independent foreign policy as well. Foreign policy also need a strong economic relation with the other countries like import export and participation in world trade. Point 4, national leadership. The president, the prime minister, the foreign minister, and the defense minister, the finance minister and the home minister have a role in deciding foreign policy. The person holding these positions try to maintain the continuity in foreign policy and to improve upon it. For example, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru contributed the policy of non-alignment of India's foreign policy. Prime Minister Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee contributed a great deal to improving Sino-Indian relation.